Hello, I'm Emily and I'm going to show you how to decorate a cake with buttercream roses, pansies and little star blossoms. You can pipe the flowers straight onto the cake, but it's easier to pipe them on flat parchment instead of trying to pipe them onto the vertical surface of the cake. Also, this way, if you make a mistake it won't mess up the frosting on the cake. For the roses we'll use a star tip. Squeeze the piping bag to push the frosting out and make a spiral, piping around the point where you started. Stop squeezing as you lift the piping bag at the end of the spiral. Now we're going to make some pansies. I'm using a petal tip in my piping bag. The wider end of the tip will be the center of the flower, and the narrow side will make the outer edge of the petal. Squeeze the frosting out and twist your wrist around so that the petal fans out. You can lift the piping bag after each petal, or, once you've had more practice, you can wiggle the bag as you spin the parchment paper and do the whole flower in one continuous squeeze. To make the centers, I'm using a small round tip to pipe 3 dots in the middle of each flower. We're going to make little star blossoms next. I'm tinting my buttercream purple and refilling the piping bag with the star tip again. These little star blossoms are the easiest flowers. You just squeeze the piping bag to let a star of frosting come out, and then release your pressure on the bag as you lift it. I'm tinting the frosting to make a darker shade of purple. I'll squeeze out a few more roses, and now I'm changing the tip to a small round tip to make the centers of the star blossoms. I'm putting all of my flowers in the freezer to set while I frost my cake with white buttercream. Now I'm piping a border around the base with a star tip. The frosting on the cake will firm up, so straight after frosting it, while it's still soft, we're going to push the flowers into the frosting. I'm going to make my flowers cascade down the side of the cake. If they don't stick, you can use a paintbrush with warm water to soften the back of the flowers before pressing them into the frosting. The flowers will start to melt about a minute after coming out of the freezer, so it's a good idea to make 2 trays of flowers and leave one in the fridge while you press on a few flowers from the other tray, and then change out the trays. And there it is! You can make much more complicated flowers out of buttercream, but these are the simplest and quickest. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cake tutorials every week.